Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Vercel branch in 2026. So first of all, simply log in into your Vercel account first, then click on the option of projects. Over here, you will be shown all of the projects that you have created previously. So you need to simply select or open that particular project where you want to change the branch. So over here, you can also, instead of basically selecting the project, click on the three dots right next to it, then simply click on the option of settings. Now when you are inside the settings of your project, you just have to click on the option of environments in the left hand side. Now over here you will see different types of environment available for your projects. So the very first would be of production, so you need to simply click on the option of production. Now inside the production environment, you need to find the branch tracking section. Now here inside the branch tracking section, this is where Vercel is going to let you choose which Git branch should be connected to your production environment. So you need to simply just click on the option of the branch field, and here you just have to enter the name of the branch that you want to use. So after giving the branch, you can make sure that the branch already exists in the connected Git repository. So after doing this, simply click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to save these changes, and this way your production environment will be tracking a new branch. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.